In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to remove CxMonSvc suspicious process on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Hello, wiki fixes how to fix CoxMon CxMonSvc.exe issue. Here you will find important information. This type of malfunctions may occur on computers that do not undergo regular maintenance, which may lead to critical glitches and system malfunctions. So I need to remove this process immediately from my computer. Close browser, right click on taskbar, click on task manager, scroll down. You will find the process CxMonSvc and the process is running. Right click on the process and then click on open file location. From C drive and Windows application may run on your Windows 10 computer. Again go to taskbar, expand the process and you will find the service here. Right click on the service and click open services. This is the service CxMonSvc and it's running. Startup type automatic. Right click on the service, go to properties. Now click on stop and then in startup type click on the drop down, select disable and click on apply. Now click on OK and the service is disabled. Right, close services. The process is not available here. Close task manager. Click on up arrow, select the CxSvc folder and press shift and delete. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this folder? Click on yes. You will need to provide administrator permission to delete this folder. Click on continue. I can complete the deletion. Open CxSvc and right click on the application, then click on rename, then add some text with the extension here and click on yes. And now this application is unable to run on your Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.